element that we do is community-based learning, which I think is a way to apply what you're learning to actual real-life situations.
Half of the class was lecture, and then half of the class is out here working on this sustainability project.
It's not just learning about sustainability, it's actually doing it, which is totally different.
I think when you're sitting in a classroom, you're studying numbers, and you're like, what am I going to do with that? This is what we're going to do with it.
Linda is, I think, if she didn't have this goal or insight, just to know that like it just takes people and like just getting them together to do something, like things will happen.
Every single day we're learning not only construction processes, but we're learning amongst each other from the knowledge we're passing back and forth between each other. So it's relationship-based, it's, you know, the physical labor based.
I think all of us are learning as it goes along, so it's just like step by step.
Most people hadn't even held a hammer before. And so it was learning how to use the tools and teaching each other how to use the electric tools, and there were just so many layers.
We started from basically nothing, and now we have like 2 stories of a tiny house, and so it feels pretty good to have that come together.
All of these students are now able to work together, they're learning new skills, they're able to connect with Dignity Village.
We have really learned how to interweave our efforts together as one, and it's really awesome to see, like, in terms of like us physically doing the labor and us like taking a step back and observing like the relationships that we're forming.
One of the major things that they learned is that they don't have to know how to do something to really make a huge contribution.
Linda's passion is very visible when it comes to sustainability.
Her passion for this project is huge. Like, she talks about it, and I mean, it's the thing that makes her eyes light up more than anything.
It's just like super encouraging to see someone so passionate. Being outside here in the community of Dignity Village is really cool too, because we get to experience not only our community at PCC in the classroom, but also like the outside world, and see how like our actions can affect other people's lives.
And at first it was just to go out and have fun building a house, and it turned out to be so much more than that, more than what you can imagine. It didn't just teach us how to use our hands doing things and do something nice for somebody. It was touching our hearts, totally changing us and the people that we were working with.